In practice set 5, the first problem reads, if a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0, and the slope of the line passing through the points negative 2a and b, 3a, is 2, which of the following is expression for b in terms of a? So there are really two main ideas here. The first idea that I see is slope. We know that the slope of this expression has to be equal to 2. So the slope between these 2 points has to be equal to 2, so that's one idea. And the second idea is we have to solve this expression so that we end up representing for an expression of b in terms of a, so we want a b equal statement. So what I've said is we've got a slope concept that we've got to review and an equate to solving concept that we have to review. So in this problem, how do we calculate slope? So for me, slope has always been change of y, change of x. And the change of y, change of x that I'm stating here can be written as the y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Some people remember it as right over right. So we have two ordered pairs. We have a negative 2a, comma, and we have b, 3a. These represent our 2 points, point 1 and point 2. We want to take our y values from these, so I want to find a change in the y values, so I'm going to go 3a minus a. So if I do 3a minus a, then I want to make sure I do a consistent pattern, do b minus a negative 2a. Now I chose to do that so I could get rid of our minus and negative right here. So you have your choice of doing it in any order. I chose to go from the right and subtract the left. So 3a minus a 2a, 3a minus an a is a 2a, divided by, and b minus a negative 2a is b plus 2a. Now to complete this thought, they said that when we do the slope and we compute the slope has to equal 2. So this calculation has to equal 2. So this is my stepping stone of where we're going to go. I've calculated the slope, and I know the slope is equivalent to 2. Now the final set of instructions say write an expression of b in terms of a. So really what they're asked us to do is isolate b. Since b is in the denominator, we want to get it out of the denominator, so we're going to multiply both sides times b plus 2a. So this is our multiplication property of equality, and that will reduce over here, so we just have 2a equals 2 times b plus 2a. Now I have a choice. I can distribute right away, or if I take a peek over here, I'm going to divide both sides by 2 rather than distribute the 2, because that'll make things go a little bit faster. The 2's will cancel, and reduce here, so a equals b plus 2a. And to get b by itself, we want to subtract 2a, so that's relatively a simple process. So it's going to be a minus 2a, so that means b is equal to a negative a. So that should be our solution for that first problem. So the two review concepts are getting at is slope, and then using your PEMDAS backwards to solve a linear equation.